Evolution Estates would like to introduce you to this beautiful 4-bedroom property, which is located in a sought-after area of Rochester. It's just a short walk to the historic High Street, and it's got high-speed railway stations close by and only a few minutes drive to the motorway. So let's take a look inside. This house underwent an extensive renovation in 2019, where it was completely refurbished internally, including new windows, a complete rewire and a brand new central heating system alone. The ground floor level of this property features a wraparound extension, which starts with a bay-fronted living room before entering the kitchen and family room. This kitchen offers open plan living with plenty of entertaining space and boasts integrated appliances including a dishwasher, fridge freezer, microwave and oven. The walls have multimedia compartments built in to keep the floor space free, giving it a clean, cable-less finish. There are bifold doors that open all the way out onto your south-facing garden, meaning you can merge the inside with the outside for the summer parties ahead. The extension caters for a downstairs bedroom or a study, which has a shower room next to it, making it ideal for guests or a teenager who's just wanting their own space. The utility room has space and plumbing for a washing machine, as well as an additional appliance, and there is also an oak worktop with extra wall cupboards above. It also offers a personal door to your garage space, which has power and light. So upstairs we have 2 double bedrooms and a single that's currently being used as an office. And if you ever fancy a sing-along in the shower, both of the bathrooms in this property come with integrated Bluetooth speakers. So this beautiful family home is available for viewing now. Please call Evolution Estates today to register your interest.